I hate when people say, well, if your friends jumped off a bridge, would you do it too? Like, obviously not, no. Because I jumped first. I'm a leader, not a follower.
Wait.
Parents always be like, how come you don't get straight A's? Well, did you get straight A's? Or did you get a B or a C? Show me your report card. Bring it. Come on, let's go. I want to see all the straight A's. Come on.
Good evening. The person sending you this video wants you to know one thing. You're worth more than chicken nuggets. Now let that sink in. This person is saying that you're worth more to them than food. That's a lot.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Go babies, go babies, go babies, go babies.